Good morning. Today's a very special day. I just got accepted to Otis College, which I've been dying to go to. It's been my dream school since I was 16 years old. I got the acceptance yesterday while I was out in WeHo in Beverly Hills, and while I was making a TikTok for Glossier collab times Alfred. I thought today I'd celebrate. I'm gonna go get crepes downtown. I might get lunch with my mom to celebrate, and then I'm going later to Silver Lake, I believe, with my friends to celebrate because I've worked so hard for it. But I thought I'd base the look off of this dress, which I found yesterday at Thrift. Really cute. I was at Jet Rag, and then I was looking for a dress to wear today. Melanie Martinez inspiration. This dress, which I'll show the full thing later. I'm just like obsessed with the collar. And then my morning voice is so gross. I'm so sorry, but I just woke up. I'm gonna keep this necklace on. You know I slept in it, but I think it looks cute with it. Got this ring there too. I love the purple. Always wearing my heart ring. My crystal bracelets. My amethyst that's literally falling apart, but it's almost done. And I got some stuff from Glossier. Actually just two things, but I didn't rinse my face yet. But I'm gonna use the Cloud Puff paint, and then we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna try to simultaneously make a TikTok while filming the YouTube video because multitasking, get that content out there. But yeah, okay, we're gonna get started. So I think for this look, I'm gonna draw my eyelashes, which I usually do most of the time. Got new lashes yesterday. I should have showed it before taking it off, but I think they're really cute. I'm always needing lashes, and instead of buying the 3-pack for $12, I bought one pair of lashes for $10. I think this is the final look. Where did I put my outfit? Just put some lace ribbon in my hair, and I'm used this NYX soft matte metallic. I have more in a pink, what do you call this? Fuchsia color. Magenta is not a real color, by the way. So, I don't think this is magenta. I'm gonna call it fuchsia. So, I'm gonna put on my boots. I'm gonna grab a bag, and we're gonna go get crepes in downtown. I'm super excited. And I'll show the whole look, probably, eventually. Breakfast. I got, what is this called?
Royale, I think.
Royale crepes, and then Zach got a savory one.
And then
I got
mozzarella.
hash browns.
Coffee.
Oh yes.
Something.
Something, I forget what it's called, but it's bomb. It's really cool. We're at the Hammer. Zach's first time. More celebrations.
Fun.
This weird wall. Can you guys see? It's over here.
Oh, like that wall's not very weird. It's like the heart.
We're in, what did I say we're at?
Westwood.
We're in Westwood. Oh. We're gonna go get coffee because
Alfred's Day 2.
Alfred's Day 2. This one says that it's open. I'm excited. Got a compliment.
Where's Ashley? I forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, is there a table outside?
Alright, it's literally so hot outside.
I know.
But we got Alfred's for the second day in a row. I got their vanilla latte. So bomb. I love LA traffic. Love that.